Hey guys, thank you for joining us again, car system installation. They're going to show you Android Auto installed on Audi Q5 2016. This vehicle does not have the MMI factory system, has the analog Audi concert. So all the controls are in here. We just call the button from here. We can press to choose on the center button. This is our enter. Go here to all the information. All the sound that we have is going to be done through the vehicle speakers. So we're going to go to music. Okay, so everything here done through the factory speakers. For Audi integration system, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.